Squeak! Thanks, Mama Cher.
I love Chinese New Year.
And I can't wait for the fireworks.
They'll light up the sky. But before that, let me show you this.
Look, there's a rat, just like me.
And a tiger like me.
Bingo! They're the animals of the Chinese zodiac. In China, each year is named after one of them.
Which animal is it this year?
It's the year of the rat.
Really? Why?
There's an ancient story to answer that. Would you like to hear it?
Yes, please. Face paint, fireworks, and a story. Chinese New Year is the best.
A long, long time ago in China, all of the animals couldn't agree who the new year should be named after.
The new year should be named after me. I'm the strongest after all.
But you can't even fly.
Maybe we should have a carrot eating competition.
When the Emperor of China heard the racket, he got very cranky.
Silence. How can we have a fun New Year if you're all fighting like this? Now, what is this arguing all about?
We can't decide who the new year should be named after.
In that case, whoever crosses the river and gets to my palace first will have the new year named after them. Ready, steady, go! Well, go on.
You heard the Emperor. Let's race!
And so began the great race. But when the animals came to the river, it was far too deep for many of them to easily cross.
Stop! This river is dangerous.
Maybe for you, but I've trained for this moment my entire life.
Though neither big nor strong, the rat was smart and thought long and hard about how to cross the river.
How about a ship made of Swiss cheese? No, too many holes. Squeak! I have an idea!
The ox was about to start crossing the river when she heard the rat calling to her.
Oh, ox!
Yes, Rat.
How are we going to cross this river?
I was going to walk across it without much trouble.
I wish I were as big and strong as you.
I'm not that strong.
Oh, yes, you are. I bet you're so strong you could even carry me across on your back. No problem.
You really think so? Okay, hop on.
The rat convinced their kind ox to help her cross the river. Halfway across the river, the ox and the rat were catching up to the tiger.
Come on, ox, keep it up. You're nearly there. Mya Go every day. Mya Go, laugh and play. Mya Go, what do we say? Mya